In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable overlay scrollbar in Microsoft Edge step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want smoother looking scroll bars or if you prefer to turn them off and go back to the classic style. It only takes a minute and you don't need any extra software or extensions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, go to the address bar at the top and type edge://flags, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Microsoft Edge's experimental features page, where you can turn certain browser options on or off. Now, on the flags page, look for the search box labeled search flags. Click inside that box and type Fluent overlay scrollbars. As you type, Edge will filter the list and show you the setting you need. This is the option that controls the overlay scrollbar appearance in the browser. Once you see the Fluent overlay scrollbars flag, look at the drop-down menu next to it. If you want to enable overlay scrollbars, set the drop-down to enabled. If you want to disable overlay scrollbars, set it to disabled. In some cases, the default setting may already be what Edge is using, so changing it manually gives you full control over how the scrollbars behave. After choosing your preferred option, you'll usually see a button at the bottom or a prompt asking you to restart the browser. Click Restart when you're ready. Microsoft Edge will close and reopen so the change can take effect. This step is important because the setting won't fully apply until the browser refreshes. Once Edge opens again, browse to any page with a lot of content and test the scrollbar. If you enabled overlay scrollbars, you should notice a cleaner, more modern scrolling look. If you disabled them, the browser should return to the non-overlay style you prefer. You can always come back to edge://flags and change it again later if you want to switch it back. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable overlay scrollbar in Microsoft Edge. It's a simple hidden setting, but it can make a big difference in how the browser feels and looks while you're browsing. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Edge tips, and let me know in the comments what browser setting you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.